The Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier is a beautifully engineered, high-performance audio device built to elevate your music and TV experience. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this amplifier in the description below at the latest price. At first glance, the Model M1 impresses with its sleek, compact form, measuring just 9.41 by 8.54 by 3.31 inches, making it ideal for tabletop setups or discreet placement in any modern home. Yet despite its modest size, it delivers an exceptional 100 watts per channel of clean, low-distortion amplification, offering a detailed and immersive soundstage that can fill virtually any room. Designed with both flexibility and fidelity in mind, the Model M1 features HEOS built-in, enabling seamless multi-room streaming across a range of compatible devices. Whether you're streaming music from popular platforms like Spotify, Tidal, or Apple Music, or integrating it with a larger home audio ecosystem, HEOS ensures smooth playback and precise synchronization. The amplifier also includes a subwoofer output, allowing you to expand your system with deeper bass response, making it suitable for both music lovers and home theater users. The convenience of wireless control and compatibility with voice assistants adds another layer of intuitive ease to your setup. Underpinning its exceptional sound performance is Marantz's proprietary MMDF, Marantz Musical Digital Filtering, technology. This advanced digital filtering enhances the natural detail and tonality of your music, preserving the warmth and nuance that Marantz is renowned for. Drawing on decades of engineering expertise, the Model M1 stands as a bridge between tradition and modern audio innovation. It's not just a streaming amplifier. It's a centerpiece of your audio journey, tailored for those who value both sonic excellence and thoughtful design. Whether you're outfitting a new listening space or upgrading your entertainment hub, the Marantz Model M1 delivers high-end performance in a remarkably accessible form.